This is a Desky sit-stand desk. In this review, we'll be taking a look at Desky's Dual Bamboo Sit-Stand Desk, unpacking, assembling, and going over the features so you can decide if Desky is right for you. So, let's get started. Welcome back to Space Age Tech, where we look at the tech that pushes the limits. As we continue our journey to upgrade our workspaces, one thing is clear: the times of working from our kitchen counter are over. In our search for better office solutions, we came across Desky, a company that focuses on ergonomic office products. And so, this is the dark bamboo tabletop. We chose the 72 inches by 30 inches size, their largest for this model. Desky does offer other tabletop size options for this configuration, ranging from 48 to 72 inches, and they are all 30 inches wide. This particular top is a solid 1-inch piece, a little heavy, so you might need a friend to help you carry it. Next up is our dual desk legs in black, our frame, and our cable management. We picked Desky's sit-stand desk for a very important reason. As you may know, working in awkward positions can cause some issues in your joints, your back, your arms, etc., and sitting all day amplifies those issues. Aside from causing discomfort, they can be real showstoppers, causing some people to take time off work to address them. This can be very costly. So we thought, why not just focus on having a healthier work environment instead of spending money and time at a chiropractor later on? But we want to show you cool stuff. That's what the channel is about, not just to bore you with everything that could go wrong. The point is that we looked for ergonomic office solutions that allow us to break the sedentary lifestyle and facilitate long-term health. And better yet, if it's easy to use, looks sleek, polished, and is durable. Alright, so let's put it together. In general, this can be a one-person job. It took a little less than 30 minutes to put together, and all you really need is a screwdriver. If you're a visual learner like me, you can watch the assembly video on their website as well. Here we're putting the frame together. The frame is made of cold rolled steel, which gives it added durability by making it stronger. And this is a really sleek desk. The motors are hidden in each leg for a clean look. This leg design allows it to be stable even at maximum height. The height range for this model is 23.6 inches to 49.2 inches. So you should have no issues even if you're super tall. With a lifting capacity of 308.6 pounds, your desk can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Our next component is the cable management system, which includes the integrated cable channel with 6 power points. This is an optional add-on, and it allows you to have easy access anywhere from 3 to 9 devices with one wall cord, giving your work area a very clean and polished look. Now that we have our frame set up, we'll plug our dual motor to the controller. This is also nicely hidden away on the frame. It's pretty much a couple of plugs and you're all ready to go. This is our completed desk. We already love how everything is just so neatly tucked away. Let's flip it over and take a closer look. We really love this deep brown color. There's a lot to choose from, as mentioned, but this color complements our decor well. And it's a really good size for dual monitors. You have enough workspace where you're not crammed into a little desk. The star of the show is the lifting capability. We have a height range of 23.6 inches to 49.2 inches. Really good for most heights. Going beyond that range really caters to people of all sizes. And it moves quite fast at 1.4 inches per second. Let's take a look at our display. Here you can control the height as well as save up to 4 presets for your favorite heights. Setting a favorite height is super easy. You just have to find the height you like, hit M, and assign a button from 1 to 4. Next time you can choose the preset button for your height rather than push the up and down arrows. We also have a sedentary reminder that helps you set a timer so you can remember to change positions or stretch at a predetermined interval. The menu is pretty robust. We were expecting the first few features, but there's other cool things you can do. You can set the minimum and maximum height. This way you can avoid bumping into any cabinets or under desk drawers. You can also lock your desk to prevent the kids from messing with your settings. And of course, you can show exactly what height you're at. Aside from setting your maximum and minimum height, there's also anti-collision detection to avoid damage. And you can set the sensitivity level on the display. Lastly, and just for fun, you can change the LED light bar to match your style. There's also a few other cool features like Bluetooth integration and an easy-to-use 18-watt USB Type-C connection. That's not all. With the Desky app, you can control the desk via Bluetooth and even integrate with Siri. The app is available on iPhone and Android and allows you to control all features of your Desky or Deskies if you have multiple. Overall, we had a smooth experience setting up our Desky Dual sit-stand desk. When it comes to tabletop styles, there's a lot to choose from, with over 30 different finishes and materials including laminate, softwood, rubber wood, bamboo, and hardwood. So it's easy to match any style. We were also happy to learn that Desky is a Green Tag certified company and supports responsible forest management. They also disclose where they source their softwood in their website. Knowing that the materials are sustainably sourced and non-toxic helps give us peace of mind. We think this combination looks great. It's cool and really meets our expectations on ergonomics as a tool that will allow us to work more comfortably and keep a healthier lifestyle. And with a 10-year warranty, is an investment that will last us a very long time. Are you ready to get yours? Check out the links in the description. So, what did you think? Let us know in the comments. We'll be reviewing this and other amazing technology in our upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.